All right, apes, buckle up. We're about to decode one of the wildest stories Wall Street has ever seen.
You know the drill. This ain't financial advice. I just like the stock and the data.
So how did a simple meme almost crash the entire system? Well, first we gotta look at how the suits play.
See, this is their turf. It's a world of huge numbers and crazy long forecasts. They think they've got it all mapped out.
Seriously, we're talking about a Goldman Sachs report that's already game planning for 2026. And look at the numbers they're throwing around. We're thinking about rent. They're thinking in trillions. They're already betting on massive growth in things like AI. In their minds, they've got everything covered. But sometimes there's a glitch in the matrix, something the big brains totally, completely miss.
So, short selling. Basically, you're betting on a company to fail. It's part of the game, or so they say. And here's the glitch. The short interest hit 114%. How do you short more shares than actually exist? Apes on Reddit figured it out. For the shorts to win, GameStop had to go bankrupt. If it didn't, they were trapped. So, what happens when millions of apes, armed with memes, all see the same glitch at the same time? The memes became a real force. A 2023 study even proved that social media chatter could actually move markets. And that collective hype, that became a real market force. This wasn't just online chatter anymore. $6 billion. That's how much the short sellers had lost by late January. The glitch was working. And then, right when things were getting good, they hit the off switch. The buy button just disappeared. The price was soaring, Elon was tweeting, and then bam, retail was locked out. You just couldn't buy. Now, this looked sketchy. Robinhood's market maker, Citadel, their sister company, just bailed out a GME short seller. The fallout from this was insane. Congress got involved, and for retail, it was a powerful, painful lesson. Suddenly, there were congressional hearings, lawsuits, even movies, and the DRS movement was born out of the ashes. So the system got shaken up, for sure. But it didn't break, and now the suits are planning their next level. Remember that Goldman report? They're already setting up for a world with AI, new rules, and economic security. So, they're planning for 2026. But what happens when we find the next glitch in the system? We're always scanning the code for the next big anomaly. You're not going to want to miss what we find. If you're jacked about this data, smash that subscribe button and check out the links below. See you on the moon.